The ORCC Trampoline? The LHX or Skok? Perhaps the Viicaa Outdoor or the Lejump Pumpkin? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 trampolines for teenagers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best trampolines for teenagers. The 5th product on this list is the Skok Trampolines. Your kid will always love a trampoline no matter how old they get. They provide hours of fun and good exercise, so make a great investment. The Skok Trampoline is a good choice because it has an enclosure system that features upright foam padded poles for stability and a tightly woven net with a dual zipper and clip closure system for additional safety. We like this trampoline features reinforced T-sockets at the leg and enclosure joints for increased frame stability. This prevents structural twisting and improves its long-term durability. Moreover, the heavy galvanized springs also help provide superior bounce and are rust resistant for longer life, making the trampoline more fun and safer. We find that the frame is also constructed of heavy gauge galvanized rust resistant steel with 3 base U-shaped legs for added stability. The no-gap enclosure net features a dual zipper and latch clip closure system that keeps kids safe while jumping. Another advantage is that it has an extra thick spring pad that withstands high pressure, high density wear resistance, and is fade-proof and waterproof, making it suitable for all season and outdoor use. Furthermore, it is equipped with a heavy-duty 2-step galvanized steel ladder, which makes it easy to navigate on and off the trampoline. Lastly, its 8 to 15 foot size options provide plenty of room for your kids to tire themselves out during the summer holidays. It has reinforced T-sockets, which makes the frame stronger. It is rust resistant, so you can leave it uncovered all year, and its seamless design between the enclosure net and the mat makes it much safer. However, the ladder can sometimes be bounced off as there's no way to strap it to the frame. The Skok Trampoline is a durably made product that's great for teenagers and younger kids to jump around on and have some fun with their friends. Up next in 4th place is the Lejump Pumpkin. This one has been designed to be an ultra-safe outdoor trampoline. We like that every Lejump trampoline has top-rated safety certifications. They use anti-rust materials for the frame and durable materials for the enclosure net and jumping mat. It is a perfect outdoor trampoline that can be enjoyed by adults and kids at the same time. Another benefit is that Lejump provides excellent customer service that replies to you within 24 hours and offers quick solutions to any issue. If some parts fail, they have spare parts in the warehouse that can be shipped quickly to you and packed into a single high-quality master carton. What's more, we like that with this trampoline, some other items are provided, such as gloves and spring tools to make the trampoline installation easy, fast, and injury-free. These trampolines are rigorously tested and are able to hold up to 330 pounds of weight, which should be ideal for a couple of teens. Furthermore, it has patented T-connectors that provide strength and sturdiness and ensure the stability of the whole frame. We particularly like that it has a reinforced jump mat, which gives it excellent elasticity. It is washable and is UV resistant. Lastly, the safety net is made of premium PE materials that not only look great, but are also soft and help avoid friction burn injuries. Its pros are, it has a durable anti-rust design, which will ensure it lasts many years. It comes with excellent customer service, which helps when you need to order new parts, and it has a large weight capacity that can host many kids. However, it has an annoying zipper that gets snagged and bent easily. The Lejump Pumpkin is an awesome product to have when hosting your teens' birthday parties. Still haven't found a trampoline for teenagers that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Viicaa Outdoor. This next unit is a safe and reliable 10-foot trampoline equipped with a high-strength nylon enclosed net and a safe spring pad that prevents feet from being caught by the spring or slipping out of the jumping area accidentally. We like that the ladder increases safety when you get on and off the trampoline. Moreover, this trampoline consists of 54 sturdy, flexible springs combined with a high elastic, tough jumping mat that can ensure each bounce's stability. Additionally, the redundant spring configuration provides a soft impact so your kids feel more comfortable. It also has a decent weight capacity of 220 pounds, allowing everyone to have fun at the birthday party. Furthermore, the trampoline is made with a fully galvanized steel frame for better resistance to rust and corrosion, with 3 U-shaped big legs with 6 balanced contact points for sounder stability and safety. We particularly like that it is easy to assemble everything from the enclosure net to the spring cover pad and even the included basketball hoop. What's more, the 6-piece W-shaped legs give the trampoline frame steady support, and the PE sleeve protects the black EPE foam from the sun, wind, and rain, and thus helps it last much longer. Its pros are, it comes with a particularly tall and well-made nylon net, which keeps the kids safe from injuries. It has durable spring construction that makes each jump more efficient and easier on the joints, and it is straightforward to put together all the extras without wasting a whole day on it. However, the ladder only hooks over the edge of the trampoline, so it tends to clatter around and make a lot of noise if left on. The Viicaa Outdoor is an incredible unit to have for family events and will provide many hours of fun all year round for your kids. The second product on this list is the ORCC Trampoline. This trampoline has a 6-foot-high enclosure netting made of high-quality polyethylene material to increase durability and UV protection. We like that the pole sleeve enclosures are padded with thick foam that can protect your kids from banging against the steel poles. We like that the trampoline frame is made of heavy-duty steel. It uses the latest hot-dip galvanizing process to make the frame rust-resistant, so it will last for decades. Another advantage is that the ORCC trampolines have a better bounce and a superior weight capacity while having a waterproof surface and UV resistance. The fade-resistant ORCC jumping mat uses heavy-duty stitching technology that provides longer service life and better bounce. Moreover, the W-shaped legs provide sufficient durability and support for the whole outdoor trampoline, and the U-shaped windstake makes the trampoline safer and more stable. Additionally, the heavy-gauge 7 inches galvanized springs further ensure long-lasting bounciness. Lastly, we particularly love that it is easy to assemble and comes with the necessary tools needed to do so. Its pros are, it is made using polyethylene, which makes it UV resistant, and galvanized steel for strength. It is easy to assemble with everything you need included, and it is padded to keep your kids safe from injuries. However, it has a fairly fragile net latch, which can be annoying. The ORCC Trampoline is an excellent product for helping teenagers to get some exercise and stay entertained on long summer days. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top trampoline for teenagers is the LHX Trampoline. This last unit is the ultimate in trampoline design, as it can hold up to 8 to 10 kids or 3 to 6 adults. This awesome 1,500-pound rated trampoline has a standard polypropylene bounce surface that provides unmatched rebounding force, with the mats being tested for 8,000 hours to ensure the durability. We like that the trampoline has a basketball hoop and a safety net, which makes it more fun and safer for your kids to jump and slam dunk in the backyard. The safety net is also securely attached to the steel tube filled with EPE soft foam. Furthermore, the gaps between the mat and net have been eliminated to ensure that children can play safely on the trampoline without needing constant supervision. Moreover, it is made of thick galvanized steel tubes that are environmentally friendly, prevent rust, and improve strength, with the 6 U-shaped legs that provide 12 balance points to increase the stability of the trampoline. Likewise, the upgraded metal joint tube ensures the tight connection of the trampoline structure. We particularly like that the trampoline can be installed by 2 adults in 2 hours by following the steps in the manual. Overall, this fantastic 16-foot trampoline provides the best bounce, safety, and durability on the market today. It's perfect for kids, teenagers, and adults to enjoy. Its pros are, it is able to hold a lot of people at once and even adults. It has every safety feature possible to keep everyone happy. It provides the excellent bouncing ability and plenty of fun accessories, and it is easy to set up, so it can be ready to go in no time. However, there are no other size options, so you need a decently sized yard. The LHX Trampoline is a brilliant unit that provides lots of safe fun for teenagers and anyone else who wants to bounce around. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.